Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add a blurred background to your video in CapCut PC. So first, just add the video that you want to edit, then copy and paste it in here. So place the second or the copied version in here first, and then you can just go to video effects. And here click on the lens and find the blur effect. Okay, this one, and place the effect only into the first clip like this, and block the effect and also the first clip. Select it like this, right click on it, and then click on create compound clip. So after the compound clip is created, it will go like this. Go to the second clip and drag it to the top to make it as overlay. Then click on the overlay video, go to cut out and activate or enable the auto cut out to remove the background of the overlay. So just wait on the cut out finish. So after the auto cutout is finished, the video will go like this and you'll have a blurred background like this. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.